Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the new augmented reality headset called Apple Vision Pro. This is Apple's first spatial computing, and it's a really exciting piece of technology. It's got a lot of potential for gaming, productivity, and entertainment. The headset is designed to seamlessly blend the real and digital world, allowing users to interact with digital content in a natural way. This device is meant to be CEO Tim Cook's signature addition to the Apple product lineup. Apple Vision Pro is the culmination of Apple's decades of experience in designing high-performance, mobile, and wearable devices. It is the most ambitious product Apple has ever created, and it integrates incredibly advanced technology into an elegant and compact form. Vision Pro delivers an amazing experience every time you put it on. Apple Vision Pro is primarily designed for augmented reality experiences, but it can also be used for virtual reality by using a dial to switch between the two modes. In AR mode, Vision Pro overlays digital content on top of the real world. This allows users to interact with digital content in a natural way, as if it were actually there. In VR mode, Vision Pro blocks out the real world and replaces it with a completely virtual environment. This allows users to experience immersive VR games and experiences. The device allows users to browse rows of app icons in an operating system called Vision OS by looking at them. Users can select apps by tapping on them, scroll through the rows by flicking their fingers, or give voice commands. You don't need to hold any controllers. Apple says that hundreds of thousands of familiar iPhone and iPad apps will automatically work with the Vision Pro. Downward-facing cameras on the headset can capture users' hands even if they are resting low on their bodies. You can arrange apps anywhere and scale them to the perfect size. Apple Vision Pro uses a high-tech eye tracking system that projects invisible light patterns onto your eyes. As per Apple, this system is so precise that you can control the elements just by looking at it. The headset can also be used with Bluetooth accessories, such as the Magic Keyboard and Magic Trackpad, for a more traditional computing experience. It can also be connected to a Mac, allowing users to use their Mac inside the headset for a more immersive experience. The Vision Pro's design has a single piece of 3D-formed laminated glass seamlessly merges into an aluminum alloy frame that curves around your face. It has a light seal that softly bends to fit your face, blocking out any stray light. The headband in this device provides comfort, airflow, and flexibility. The fit dial allows you to customize the fit of the Vision Pro to your head. Apple says the device can flex to fit to a variety of face shapes and head sizes. The Vision Pro has a 4K display for each eye that allows users to interact with its interface in a realistic and immersive way. Apple's custom micro-OLED display system has 23 million pixels, which provides stunning resolution and colors. A specially designed 3-element lens makes you feel that the display is everywhere you look. Here, we are not talking about 1 or 3 or 4 cameras. The Vision Pro contains 12 cameras, 5 different sensors, and 6 microphones. These sensors and cameras are used for precise head and hand tracking. They help in understanding your hand gestures from a wide range of positions. While inside the headset, you can use a 3D camera to capture spatial photos and videos in 3D and then rewatch and relive them back in a more immersive way. The headset uses a system called EyeSight to display your eyes to other people around you through a small outward-facing display. If you are in full VR, a glowing screen will appear, indicating that you are not available. The device also lets you see the real world with pass-through video. The speakers are positioned near to ear that provide spatial sound without blocking out ambient noise. That means it makes you aware of the surroundings while using the headset. The Vision Pro is said to offer better sound quality than the current generation AirPod Pros. It has its own audio pods that are individually tuned and personalized, which are said to produce richer, more immersive sound. Vision Pro has a computer that is cooled with a fan. It uses a unique dual-chip system to provide spatial experiences. The M2 chip handles the operating system, computer vision, and graphics, while the newest R1 chip processes input from the cameras, sensors, and microphones. This allows for a smooth, lag-free experience with real-time visuals. The device has a built-in battery that can provide up to 2 hours of use. It can also be connected to an external power source using a flexible woven cable that perfectly fits in your pocket. This allows the device to be used all day long. Vision Pro is a mixed reality headset that can transform any room into a personal theater. It uses spatial audio to create a 3D soundscape that makes you feel like you're part of the action. And with more pixels than a 4K TV for each eye, you can enjoy stunningly immersive content wherever you are. Apple said that FaceTime video tiles in the Vision Pro are life-size, so when new people join a call, their video tiles appear to expand in your room. You can also use apps within FaceTime to collaborate with colleagues on the same documents simultaneously. So, those are the basics of the Apple Vision Pro. It's a really powerful piece of technology with a lot of potential. I'm really excited to see how it will change the computing genre after its release on early 2024. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments about this phone, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.